What does a blackbird sound like? Have you ever stopped to listen to the sounds of nature and wondered what a blackbird sounds like? These birds are known for their beautiful and varied vocalizations. Understanding their calls can greatly enhance your birding experience. Blackbirds produce a range of sounds that serve different purposes. Their songs are often melodious and complex, helping them attract mates and defend their territory. The common blackbird has a distinctive warble that is low-pitched and fluted. Males typically sing from high perches like trees or rooftops, especially during the breeding season from March to June. The song of the common blackbird is smooth and mellow, delivered at a slow tempo. It features a mix of slurred whistles that often end with a short, scrambled twitter. You might notice that their songs are clearer in the evening. Interestingly, urban blackbirds may adapt their songs to sing at higher frequencies to cut through city noise. As blackbirds age or enter different breeding stages, their songs can change. They continue to learn and adapt their vocalizations throughout their lives. This adaptability makes it exciting to listen for their songs in various environments. In addition to their songs, blackbirds have a variety of calls. One common call is a deep rattling alarm call. This call usually starts with a sharp tuk-tuk-tuk sound, followed by a rapid pli-pli-pli, and then slows down again. This call is often heard when the bird is startled and takes flight. Blackbirds also have an aggressive C call to warn of danger and a puk-puk-puk alarm for ground predators like cats. Males often use chink-chink calls in the evening to deter other blackbirds from roosting in their territory overnight. Different blackbird species have their unique sounds. For instance, the Brewer's blackbird has a simpler song that consists of a shrill, rising squee with a metallic tone. Red-winged blackbirds often sing from high perches, showcasing their bright shoulder patches. Birdwatchers can enhance their identification skills by listening for these distinctive sounds. Recognizing the melodious warbles and varied calls of blackbirds, especially during the breeding season, can help you locate them more easily. Familiarizing yourself with their alarm calls can also indicate when a blackbird is nearby. In summary, blackbirds offer a rich variety of vocalizations, from beautiful songs to sharp alarm calls. Their sounds reflected their environment and life stages, making them a fascinating subject for bird enthusiasts. So next time you are birding, take a moment to listen closely to the enchanting sounds of blackbirds.